Done.
Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. So, on the first video I didn't tell you about the primer coat. The primer coat is acrylic. It's an acrylic pigmented primer that Sherwin-Williams sells. Also, Romans makes their own pigmented primer. And what it is it's an acrylic. It's specially designed for particularly grass cloth. You'll see it on the instructions of your wall covering. Do not use a glue-based primer. Use a pigmented acrylic. And this is a good primer. It's a little more involved than the glue-based primer, such as Romans 9.99 or Shields. I had them tinted so that we can match the color of the grass cloth. Just in case the grass cloth should shrink, at the seams you see a little fracture, a hairline fracture. You don't want it to be white. You want it to be the color of the wall covering. Secondly, you can't get glue on the face of grass cloth. And so I want to tell you how we're gluing this. First of all, I recommend that you have 2 people for gluing all of the grass cloth pieces. It's expensive wallpaper, you can't mess it up, and so it comes with fine wall covering, more labor. And so 2 people, I recommend 2 people. You can't put this through a pasting machine, so you have to hand paste it either with a brush or a roller, in which case I recommend a roller. It goes faster. So I'll just fast forward and tell you what we did. We have 3 tables here set up, so I want most of the length of my wall covering to be flat so that I can glue it. Secondly, I took a 9-inch nap roller that you paint a floor, a ceiling or a wall with, or even a floor, and I rolled the glue on with the length of the wall covering. But I left the edges about 1 inch away from the edge alone, because the risk is that you'll either get it on the table, and consequently on the paper, or get it on the paper itself, because the roller has a fuzzy nap to it, and it could certainly, as you're rolling on the edge, those fuzzies get over and underneath it, even with a 1/2 inch nap, or even with a 3/8 inch of a nap. So here's what we did. We left the edge alone until we got all the glue on of the center of the paper, and then what we did is, very carefully, can you just show them how the wall covering is right on the edge of this table? So here's the edge of our table. Remember, you don't want glue on this thing. So you want to cover the table with wallpaper. And so I have now a firm table underneath the edge of this thing. Here's what I'm going to do. Watch the angle at which I'm rolling this. Is there any risk of me getting glue on that? No. And since I have the wallpaper at the edge of the table, my wallpaper isn't going to bend if I had it here, right? See, if I had it 2-3 inches over, look at how it bends. Look at the risk of me getting the glue underneath it. So what do? I put it right on the edge, and on an angle. I'm not rolling this parallel with the edge of the wallpaper. I'm rolling this at a 45-degree angle. Why? Because I don't want the roller to get the green side of the grass cloth wet. So this affords me the greatest opportunity not to do that. If I should do this, I could easily make the fibers connect with the front of the wall covering. And so I'm doing it on an angle. The reason why we're doing this is the table is underneath this part. There's nothing underneath this part. So theoretically it could bend, but no, because I'm putting pressure on this part and it's keeping my roller level with the table. That's why we do that. And there you have it. I just wanted to show you how a professional, this is one way of how you glue your wallpaper. You wouldn't want to use this roller with the whole thing. This is just too much work to do with this little roller. This is just for your edges, okay? I didn't want to show you how we did it because I think you know how to do it. You wallpaper, you're putting glue on with a 9-inch roller, but then on the edges, you go very carefully because you don't want glue on the grass cloth. And there you have it. This is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. Please click on like, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you get all the notifications. Thanks for watching.